Celebrating gray hair, styling tips and tricks for silver-haired beauties. Celebrating gray hair, styling tips and tricks for silver-haired beauties. The beauty industry has long been captivated by youth and vitality, often relegating the natural process of aging to the background. However, a growing movement is challenging these norms, embracing the elegance and sophistication that come with silver hair. Gray hair, once considered a sign of aging, is now being celebrated as a statement of individuality and confidence. Whether your silver strands are a result of age or a deliberate choice, there are countless ways to style and enhance their beauty. In this article, we'll explore styling tips and tricks that empower silver-haired beauties to embrace their unique look with panache. Embracing the transition. For those who are transitioning from colored hair to gray, it's essential to be patient and kind to your hair during the process. Going gray is a journey, and it's important to give your locks time to adjust. If you're uncomfortable with the salt and pepper look during the transition, consider getting highlights that blend with your natural gray, easing the stark contrast. Optimal hair care. Beautiful styling starts with healthy hair. Gray hair tends to be more porous and prone to dryness, which can lead to a dull appearance. Invest in a hydrating and sulfate-free shampoo to retain moisture without stripping away natural oils. Regular deep conditioning treatments can help maintain the vibrancy of your silver locks. Using a purple shampoo once or twice a week is another smart move. Purple shampoo contains purple pigments that neutralize yellow tones, helping your gray hair maintain its cool, silvery hue. Just be cautious not to overuse it, as excessive purple shampoo can lead to a bluish tinge. The right haircut. Choosing the right haircut is pivotal in accentuating your gray hair's elegance. Short haircuts like pixie cuts or bobs can create a chic and sophisticated look, showcasing your silver hair's natural shine. Long hair can be equally stunning, especially when layered to add texture and movement. Consider consulting with a professional hairstylist who has experience with gray hair. They can recommend cuts that complement your face shape and hair texture while aligning with your personal style. Playing with texture. One of the advantages of gray hair is its natural ability to show off texture. Embrace the volume and movement your hair naturally possesses. Use a volumizing mousse to add body, and opt for a diffuser when blow-drying to enhance curls and waves. Effortless, tousled styles can look exceptionally striking against silver hair. Accessorize with confidence. Accessories are an excellent way to elevate your hairstyle and express your unique style. A statement headband, a stylish clip, or a delicate hairpin can transform a simple hairdo into a captivating masterpiece. Metallic accessories, in particular, can harmonize with the silver tones of your hair, creating an elegant and cohesive look. Experimenting with updos. Updos are not only practical but also incredibly versatile. From a classic chignon to a messy bun, updos can showcase your silver hair's sophistication while keeping it out of your way. Experiment with different variations to find the one that suits your style and the occasion. Makeup magic. Your makeup choices can greatly complement your silver hair. Emphasize your eyes with well-defined brows and mascara. Opt for neutral eyeshadows to create a balanced look that doesn't overpower your hair's striking appearance. A touch of blush and a flattering lip color can complete your makeup routine, enhancing your natural beauty. Wardrobe wonders. Just as your hair has changed, your wardrobe might need a refresh to align with your new look. While there are no hard and fast rules, certain colors tend to complement silver hair beautifully. Jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and deep purples can make your hair color pop. Classic neutrals like black, white, and gray can create an elegant backdrop for your silver strands. Nurturing hair health from within. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids can contribute to strong and lustrous locks. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, walnuts, and flax seeds are particularly beneficial for hair health. Stay hydrated to maintain moisture levels in your hair, and consider taking supplements if your diet lacks certain nutrients. Confidence is key. Perhaps the most critical element of embracing gray hair is confidence. Society's perception of beauty is evolving, and gray hair is now recognized as a symbol of wisdom, experience, and self-assuredness. Rocking your silver hair with pride sends a powerful message about embracing natural beauty and defying conventional norms. Final thoughts. Celebrating gray hair isn't just a trend, it's a movement that encourages us to embrace our true selves and the passage of time. Styling silver hair is an art that involves optimal hair care, the right haircut, and confidence that radiates from within.